everybody, today is March 8th, 2021, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. So as you probably guessed it, it's time to haul some corn. I'm on my spring break for the next week or so we're going to be hammering down here, try to get the corn done before I'm back in school. So what we're doing right now is I'm bringing my pickup in to the shop in town to have my four-wheel drive looked at. While it's there, we're going to be hauling corn back at the farm. So once we get it there, we're going to come back and we're going to take the truck into town, and then once we get that unloaded, we have the 4760 and the Demco grain cart out with a load on it, and we're going to unload onto the truck and go from there. We're on the second bin. We got it about halfway sweeped out. So once we get that done today, we're going to move on to the another bin, hopefully in the next couple days, get that sweeped out, and, you know, just go through the motions. So hopefully it's going to be a good day. Seems like it will, but we'll find out. So without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so we just got back with the truck, so I'm gonna run over here and start the 4760, and it should pop right off because it's pretty warm out right now. We're gonna take it a little slow here just to let the tractor warm up a little more and be a little easier on the ground because it's still a little bit soft out here. Okay, so we got the truck full. Grandpa sent me off. He's gonna stay back and fill the grain cart this time. And I'm gonna head to town. Okay, so I just got weighed there, and you saw that they put the probe in to take the test weight and moisture and all that. So we're gonna head over to the pit now as soon as I get across this railroad track. Okay. Yep, we're gonna head over to the pit and we're gonna dump, and then we're gonna weigh again and head right back to the farm. just got back to the farm, so it's time to take another load out. Okay, so I turned off the camera for that next load there because it's just the same thing, me going through the elevator. But now we have the auger set up on the next bin we're pulling out of, and Grandpa's going to take this load in, so you're going to get to see me load the grain cart this time. So he's going to get going here pretty quick, and as soon as he does, I'm going to move under the auger and get started. Uh-oh, somebody spilled. Wasn't me. Yeah, that should just about do it. I decided I'm gonna go get some lunch because I'm hungry, and then I'll come back out and get this started. Well, it might be hard to see, but the corn is definitely getting pulled down. I don't see any issues at all. It's looking pretty good. And back to the wind. Alrighty, we got the cart full, so I'm gonna pull it over here behind the bin so it's out of the wind, and then we'll wait for Grandpa to get back and we'll fill him again and do the whole thing over. Okay, you might not be able to tell it, but the wind has picked up quite a bit since we started this morning, and it's about 2 p.m. now. So we decided to probably call it quits until the wind dies down. So that's probably it for today. If it dies down, we'll load these two up again, and then tomorrow morning we'll go back through the rhythms, and we still have plenty of corn to haul, so there's plenty more video footage coming. Today kind of just unfortunately ended a little quicker than we expected, and that's due to things out of our control. And I will say, this grain cart has made things so much faster. Like, we've only been working half the day and we've put in about the same amount of loads that we usually get in, so it's working great. So with that, I think I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow.